Hi, and welcome to the TensorFlow YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll have a lineup of great shows for you, including Coding TensorFlow, where we explore what it is to write TensorFlow code together. TensorFlow Lite is TensorFlow's lightweight solution for mobile and embedded devices. Here's a sample piece of code, TensorFlow Meets, where you are the star and we get to meet with you to talk and to learn and to share about all of the great things that you're doing with TensorFlow.
Just learning the basic mechanics and concepts, but seeing how it actually applies to their field.
I like this combination a lot.
There's also Ask TensorFlow, where we answer your questions marked on social media with the Ask TensorFlow hashtag.
What is the difference between TensorFlow Mobile and TensorFlow Lite?
One's mobile, the other's light.
That's right.
We'll also have lots of great content from events like the TensorFlow Developer Summit and special guests from other parts of Google and beyond. So hit that subscribe button now, and we'll see you there.